Hey guys, here's an account update on the FTMO challenge. So the two trades taken yesterday were on Australian dollar against the Japanese yen, and then here on euro against the British pound. This one is just hitting the profit target. If this candle gets rejected here, I think I'm just going to manually close it out. The profit is over 100, so yeah, it looks like I'm just going to close this one manually. The price just went through it, but that spread didn't let the actual trigger go. But anyway, that's two wins, and the account's up by over 5% now. So 10,511, which is really impressive. So let's go over the two trades that were entered that were both winners. They were both entered yesterday, and I've just woken up, so kind of doing a morning recap and scan here. So this one we'll start with. We had this high right here compared to this high over here with the hidden divergence on the RSI. So you can see higher high on the RSI, but lower high on the price. And then the stochastic cross down, which was this candle right here. So the short entry was here, stop loss just above, and then targeting just down here. So this one, obviously I just closed it out. And let's go check out the Australian dollar against Japanese yen trade. So clearly this one was a winner. You can see it's gone up by quite a significant margin. The entry was right here. So if we look at this pullback here and compare it to this pullback, we get the higher low on the price, but at the same time we look at the RSI goes much lower. So we get the hidden bullish divergence, prices above the 200 EMA, and then the cross up on the stochastic right down here at the very bottom was the entry. And stop loss was just below the 200 exponential moving average and targeting 2 times risk, of course. So this one obviously did well, hit the profit target, and that's two winners. So this account is on a good winning streak, and it just goes to show that you don't need an insane strategy to be profitable. It's more about the discipline and the consistency and just following the strategy over and over again. So guys, if this doesn't prove the point that I'm trying to make, I don't know what will. But of course, I'm going to be trading multiple different strategies on the FTMO challenge account to see which ones do the best. But this one doing really well. I don't think anyone would be upset about growing 5% on their account in only 22, 23 days. So yeah, really good results so far. And I'll keep trading the strategy, but today I am not so interested in the FTMO challenge account because I'm going to do a Bitcoin 1 minute chart strategy where I trade it for 8 hours straight. So I'm just going to trade Bitcoin on the 1 minute chart for 8 hours straight, following a really simple strategy, and just see what happens. So it's kind of just an experiment for fun. And I think it'll be interesting to see what happens and see how much I can grow the account in 8 hours, or blow up the account in 8 hours, depending on if the strategy is good or not. But I'm going to make a video on that, so stay tuned for that video. But yeah, anyway, the account's doing really well on FTMO, so just want to make the update on the two trades taken yesterday, and both of them hit the profit targets. Well, this one you saw me manually close, but it hit the profit target. And now, of course, as I said, it might get rejected because we got this double bottom down here, and typically you're going to see a nice supporting move with a double bottom, and then just one last push down to wick out people's stop losses. And that's exactly what seems to have happened here now that this is getting a nice bullish supporting candle. But anyway, yeah, good stuff so far on the FTMO challenge. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to start doing my 8 hours of Bitcoin trading on the 1 minute chart now. Let's go.